In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit your avatar on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then go to your profile. After that, tap at Edit Profile and then tap at Edit next to Avatars. That will open up Avatar Editor, and that's where we can make any changes. For example, I want to change outfit for my avatar. I'm just gonna choose that one. And also we can make any changes. Let's say I want to also change hairstyle, so I can just choose any hairstyle from this huge variety of different hairstyles. Once we've done with that, we need to tap at Done, then Save Changes. Then we need to wait for maybe 5 or 10 seconds for the avatar to be updated. After that, we can tap at Next and then Update Cover Photo. Then, if we would like to create profile picture, we can tap right here, and then we'll be able to choose some background. And also we can choose pose for our avatar. Once we've done with that, do not forget to tap at Save. That's how you can easily edit your Facebook avatar.